FAA Part 107 Airspace Practice Test 30 Must-Know Questions.
Question 1. What ATC authorization is required to fly a small UA in Class G Airspace? A. LAANC Authorization. B. A Drone Zone Waiver. C. Verbal approval from the nearest tower. D. None.
Answer: D. None. Explanation: Class G is uncontrolled airspace.
Question 2. On a VFR sectional chart, a dashed blue line around an airport depicts which airspace? A. Class B. B. Class C. C. Class D. D. Surface Class E.
Answer: C. Class D. Explanation: A dashed blue line indicates Class D airspace.
Question 3. Solid magenta lines on a sectional chart depict: A. Class B. B. Class C. C. Class D. D. Surface Class E.
Answer: B. Class C. Explanation: Class C airspace is shown with solid magenta lines.
Question 4. Solid blue lines on a sectional chart depict: A. Class B. B. Class C. C. Class D. D. Class G.
Answer: A. Class B. Explanation: Class B airspace is charted with solid blue rings.
Question 5. A dashed magenta line around an airport indicates: A. Class C. B. Surface Class E. C. Class D. D. MOA.
Answer: B. Surface Class E. Explanation: Class E begins at the surface.
Question 6. Which airspace classes require FAA authorization before a Part 107 flight? A. Only Class B. B. Class B and C only. C. Class B, C, D and Surface Class E. D. All classes including G.
Answer: C. Class B, C, D, and Surface Class E. Explanation: Controlled airspace requires authorization.
Question 7. The fuzzy magenta vignette on a sectional chart indicates: A. Class E begins at 700 foot AGL. B. Surface Class E. C. Restricted area. D. MOA.
Answer: A. Class E begins at 700 foot AGL. Explanation: Class E starts at 700 foot AGL.
Question 8. An area charted as P56 is: A. Practice area. B. Prohibited area. C. MOA. D. Class E extension.
Answer: B. Prohibited area. Explanation: P designates a prohibited area.
Question 9. Restricted areas generally contain: A. Wildlife refuges. B. Student pilot traffic. C. Hazardous activities. D. Helipads.
Answer: C. Hazardous activities. Explanation: Restricted areas contain unusual hazards.
Question 10. What does a military operations area MOA mean? A. Flight prohibited. B. Use extreme caution. C. Authorization required. D. Military drones only.
Answer: B. Use extreme caution. Explanation: military training may occur.
Question 11. Where would you find current TFR information? A. Sectional chart. B. Meter. C. NOTAMs. D. Airport diagram.
Answer: C. NOTAMs. Explanation: TFRs are published through NOTAMs.
Question 12. The maximum elevation figure MEF represents A. Tallest obstacle AGL. B. Highest terrain or obstacle MSL. C. Airport elevation. D. Maximum drone altitude.
Answer: B. Highest terrain or obstacle MSL. Explanation: MEF identifies the highest feature.
Question 13. You are planning a mission near rising terrain. The sectional chart shows an MEF of 54. What should you conclude? A. Highest feature about 5,400 feet MSL. B. Fly to 5,400 AGL. C. Airport elevation. D. Class E.
Answer: A. Highest feature about 5,400 feet MSL. Explanation: MEF shows highest known terrain or obstacle.
Question 14. You are operating 3 miles from a non-towered airport. What is the safest action after hearing traffic on CTF? A. Continue normally. B. Increase altitude. C. Locate aircraft and remain clear. D. Ignore call.
Answer: C. Locate aircraft and remain clear. Explanation: yield and avoid interference.
Question 15. Why is a tower frequency valuable? A. Increase RID range. B. Improve battery. C. Awareness of nearby manned traffic. D. Airline use only.
Answer: C. Awareness of nearby manned traffic. Explanation: help situational awareness.
Question 16. The stadium TFR generally restricts flight. A. 5 nm all day. B. 10 nm during event. C. 1 nm. D. 3 nm from 1 hour before until 1 hour after.
Answer: D. 3 nm from 1 hour before until 1 hour after. Explanation: common stadium TFR rule.
Question 17. Part 107. Operations near an airport must not A. Interfere with airport operations. B. Occur within 5 nm. C. Operate without CTF calls. D. Require airport manager approval.
Answer: A. Interfere with airport operations. Explanation: avoid interference.
Question 18. Understanding lines of longitude helps because they A. Run east-west. B. Run north-south. C. Cloud clearance. D. Define airspace.
Answer: B. Run north-south. Explanation: longitude runs north-south.
Question 19. A tower symbol shows 1543, 450. What is most important? A. 1543 MSL and 450 AGL. B. 1543 AGL. C. Ignore below 400. D. Class A.
Answer: A. 1543 MSL and 450 AGL. Explanation: bold as MSL, parentheses AGL.
Question 20. Which statement about LAANC is correct? A. Guarantees separation. B. Files flight plans. C. Provides near real-time authorization. D. Replaces registration.
Answer: C. Provides near real-time authorization. Explanation: automated authorization.
Question 21. You are inside a dashed blue ring with 25 shown on the chart. What is required? A. Nothing. B. Airport approval. C. File NOTAM. D. FAA authorization.
Answer: D. FAA authorization. Explanation: Class D requires authorization.
Question 22. Your site lies under a magenta vignette, and you will fly at 350-foot AGL. What authorization is required? A. None. B. LAANC. C. Drone zone waiver. D. Tower permission.
Answer: A. None. Explanation: below Class E floor remains Class G.
Question 23. A U.S. facility map grid shows 0. What does this mean? A. No authorization needed. B. Up to 100 feet. C. Airspace closed. D. Drone zone coordination required.
Answer: D. Drone zone coordination required. Explanation: further FAA review required.
Question 24. A Class B shelf is labeled 100/40. What does this mean? A. Floor 4000 MSL and ceiling 10,000 MSL. B. AGL values. C. Surface to 10,000. D. Weight restriction.
Answer: A. Floor 4000 MSL and ceiling 10,000 MSL. Explanation: ceiling over floor.
Question 25. You plan to fly within a dashed magenta ring around a non-towered airport. What is required? A. CTF call. B. Stay below 400. C. Notify airport. D. FAA authorization.
Answer: D. FAA authorization. Explanation: surface Class E requires authorization.
Question 26. Your site falls within an alert area. What does this mean? A. Flight prohibited. B. Increased caution needed. C. TFR. D. Class A.
Answer: B. Increased caution needed. Explanation: heavy aviation activity.
Question 27. During a roof inspection in an alert area, what is the best action? A. Proceed without planning. B. Assume avoidance. C. Increase vigilance. D. Cancel.
Answer: C. Increase vigilance. Explanation: Increased awareness is required.
Question 28. A VIP TFR suddenly covers your sight. What should you do? A. Fly below 200. B. Ask police. C. Launch before activation. D. Cancel or reschedule.
Answer: D. Cancel or reschedule. Explanation: TFR supply to drones.
Question 29. Which airspace is considered uncontrolled? A. Class B. B. Class C. C. Class D. D. Class G.
Answer: D. Class G. Explanation: Class G is uncontrolled.
Question 30. Why review sectional charts before every mission? A. Identify airspace hazards, airports, and risks. B. Improve GPS. C. Replace RID. D. Required above 400 feet only.
Answer: A. Identify airspace, hazards, airports and risks. Explanation: Primary planning tool.
Thank you for watching.